Today we're going to unbox the Oneplus Ace. Or the Oneplus 10R. So inside the box we have a flyer, level settle, and the SIM ejector tool. And there's still a sticker of Oneplus. Get some manuals, parts of the phone, and let's put that on the side, and some ejector tool, and let's put, and here is the phone. I have the black variant, and let's put it on the side first, and let's see what's in the box. So upon opening, we have a silicone case, jelly silicone case, the black one. Looks great, feels nice. And here we have the 160 watts Superbook. So, and we have the charging cable. I think that's about it in the box. So I'll be back with the hands-on of the phone.